When the time comes to reload the mowing line in your AutoCut C 4-2 head, there's a quick and easy way to do it. The AutoCut C 4-2 head takes 2mm mowing line, so make sure you have some of this ready before you start. STIHL 2mm mowing line is always this green colour. First, make sure you have removed the battery or disconnected the power source so there's no risk of the machine accidentally starting while you're working on it. Next, prop the machine up so you can access the mowing head. The last pieces of line may have ejected themselves from the mowing head by themselves, but if they haven't, you'll need to remove the old pieces of line before you can load it with new line. To do this, you need to remove the head from the machine. Hold this in place and undo the cap on the top. The head will come loose and you'll be able to remove the old pieces of line like this. If the line has ejected itself already, you won't need to do this part. Once you have removed the line, you need to reassemble it, ready to load with new line. To reassemble, first put the head back onto the machine and then align these 4 inner recesses with the 4 larger outer ones here to allow you to put the centre cap back on. Press down and screw it up tightly. This is now an empty mowing head ready to be reloaded. Now, to load the line, you first need to make sure that the arrows on the mowing head are aligned. Just twist this to make sure that one of the outer arrows is lined up with one of the inner arrows. Once they are aligned, get your mowing line. The AutoCut C 4-2 takes up to 5 meters of line, so first cut your line ready to load. Take one end of the line and push it into the outlet here. You'll feel it slide in and then meet a bit of resistance. Then do the same with the other end of the line. Next, you need to follow the directional arrows on the mowing head and wind it up like this so that the line is drawn into the head. Once it is almost wound up, snip the line in the middle like this. You need around 10 centimeters of line each side, so if you have more than that, you can just trim the ends here. You can also find more how-to videos on the STIHL GB YouTube channel.